Hi everyone and welcome. In this review note, we are going to get a little further into the order of application of group policy objects. So far in our series, we've been looking at configuring all of our group policy objects linked to the domain. But we can configure our group policy objects also to link into organizational units. The user we've been using to log in is located in the staff organizational unit. Now what we're going to do is create a new group policy object and link it actually to the organizational unit. Right click, create new GPO. Going to call this one puppy. We see that show up under our group policy objects. If I reveal staff, here is that group policy object. Let's go ahead and edit that. Like before, we're going to create a policy that will set the desktop wallpaper, and that will conflict with something that we've already done. Open the desktop wallpaper, enable that, set the path, and we'll say OK. Policy is now in effect. Let's see what happens when we log in with that user account. As per usual, I am going to force the update, and once that's done, we'll disconnect and reconnect. And once we're logged in, we now have a wallpaper, which is our dog that we set up a minute ago. Let's go back and review that really quickly. Order of processing now is Stewie. Kitty's still disabled, so that one doesn't even get processed. Default domain policy, and then puppy. So the upstream objects get processed before the downstream group policy objects are the ones that are directly attached to the organizational unit. And again, this is sequential. There's nothing that says one thing does not get processed over another simply because we have a policy applied. That's a wrap for the video. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.